Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to continue question 5 of exercise 6.1. So here it is. It says in this figure that is right here, POQ is a line. Okay, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray line between rays OP and OR. Okay, OS is another ray that is lying between the rays OP and OR. So you can also say that OS is the bisector of POR. Okay, and we have to prove that angle ROS is equal to the half of QOS and POS. So what it's saying that we have to prove that ROS angle is equal to the half of QS and POS means the difference is equal to the and its half is equal to the angle ROS. Okay, so let's do the answer. And yes, in this figure it is given that ROQ is a right angle, means it is of 90 degree as shown here. There is a box. Okay, so now let's do the answer. Okay, so first we have to write that what is given in a question, that the given path is angle POQ is a line and OR is perpendicular sign is this to PQ. Okay, and we have to prove that angle ROS is equal to the half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, now our proof for the answer is that first we can see that SOQ here, SOQ, which two angles it is made up of, whole SOQ. First SOR angle and ROQ angle. The whole means the whole SOQ is made up of angle SOR and ROQ. Okay, and same with angle POS, but it is the half of POR. So we have to write that angle POS is made up of angle POR minus SOR. Okay, I will write that angle SOQ. First we need to talk about angle SOQ, that is made up of angle SOR plus angle ROQ and angle POS, means in this question that angle QS we have to find, and now POS it is made up of angle POR minus angle SOR, and we have given the value of ROQ as 90 degrees, so you can also write like this, and POR is also 90 degree. But why? As you can write and in the rough or figure, because angle POR plus angle ROQ is equals to 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay, that this and this. Now POR plus ROQ 90 degree, and that makes our angle POR equals to 90 degree. Okay, now coming back to the answer. So POR is also 90 degree, you can write. Now we have to subtract these two. First I will write, then I will explain it to. Equation 1, you can write it as equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 from equation 2, that is angle SOQ minus POS equals to angle SOR plus ROQ, or 90 degrees, simple. And these are positive and this is negative, so positive will become negative and negative will become positive. Now SOQ minus, and this was positive so it came to negative, is equals to, we have not given the value of SOR, plus ROQ is gives to 90 degree and POI is also 90 degree. SOR. Okay, so 90 and 90 are cancelled. SOQ minus angle POS equals to, there are two SORs, so 2 angle SOR, and this is multiplying, so it will come as half here. Angle SOQ minus angle POS is equals to angle SOR, or you can simply write as angle ROS as was given in the question, and that's our final, that therefore angle ROS or angle SOR is equals to the half of angle SOQ or QS minus angle PO, and that's our final answer. Yes, but now why we have subtracted, not amplified or not added? Because in the question we were asked the value of ROS only. Yes, ROS only, and ROS is right here. Okay, ROS is right here. So by subtracting the angle POR minus POQ, ROQ, so we have got value of SOR only. Okay, but we do not have to calculate it. We need to calculate the values given that were given in a question, not we have to do straightly, because it can cut our marks or whatever. Okay, so now coming to next question. Now coming to next question number 6, it is said that it is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. So we have to make figure. So according to that, it is given that it is a line XY and XYZ equals to 64 degree, but a point P is produced to XY line, which means that we have to make a line like this, Y or X, or you can simply XY. A point P is produced to the XY, so you can make dotted or whatever, and P is here. To differentiate that, we have made an imaginary line. Okay, and it says that angle XYZ is 64 degree. So draw a figure from the given information if ray YQ bisects ZYP angle. So how we have to make now ray Z or angle Z or whatever? It is said that XYZ is 64 degree. So XYZ or XYZ. So I will make Z here at the middle of the line. And it is said that it is 64 degree as given in the question, and it says that if ray YQ bisects ZYP angle, if ray YQ angle bisects angle ZYP. Okay, ZYP. So angle Q or ray YQ will come here only. Okay, now here is an angle and here is an angle. You have to keep in mind. And here is an old triangle given. So ZYP done. Find XYQ and reflex UYP. So we have to find, first we have, it is like given only. You can give as heading given. Now what we have to prove or find, angle XYQ and reflex QYP. Okay. Now the proof or the answer is that we have given, or we can see that angle PYZ is with linear pair with angle ZYX. Okay, you can see here PYZ and angle ZYX is linear pair. Okay, so we can write that angle PYZ plus angle ZYX, X is equals to 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay, here, so PYZ we don't give any value. ZYX is 64 degree. So angle PYZ is equals to 180 degree minus 64 degree, and a final answer is that angle PYZ is equals to 116 degree. Okay, now it is given that we can see only that ZYQ is the half of PYZ or QYP, same thing. Okay, or you can write that since YQ, ray YQ bisects angle PYZ as given in the question, therefore angle ZYQ is half of PYZ, angle PYZ. Okay, and the value of PYZ is 116 degree, so 116 degree, and by cancelling it comes 58 degree. Okay, so now angle QYZ is 58 degree. Now we have to find angle XYQ. How it is made? By adding angle QYZ and ZYX only. So we can write that angle XYQ is equals to angle QYZ and ZYX. QYZ plus angle ZYX. Okay, now here's a point that we have not given the value of QYZ. We can write the value of ZYX as given in the question, that's 64 degree. But what we have to write here? How we can find the angle XYQ? So since ray YQ bisects PYZ, so PYZ, so QYZ is also 58 degree because PQY bisects PYQ and QYZ. Yes, ray YQ actually bisects the whole PYZ angle, but it also bisects angle PYQ plus angle QYZ. Okay, so we can write the value of QYZ as 50 degree because the value we have got here okay, and we have given the value of QYZ here also 50 degree, I am only just explaining you. You can write directly also. And angle XYQ comes as 120 degrees. So our first answer is completed. Now second, it asked that we have to find reflex angle QYP. Okay. Now, as I have told you that reflex comes by subtracting the actual value by 360 degree. So first we have to write that reflex QYP is equals to 360 degree, but what we have to minus here, so the answer can come. Okay, now as you have seen that PYZ YQ was bisecting, so ZYQ was 58 degree. So PYZ is also 50 degree because ray YQ was bisecting this whole angle PYZ. So it divided them half. So the half comes as 58 equals to 116. So that's why we have to write here 58 degree. And it comes as 302 degree. And that's our actual answer. Okay, I hope you understood this question.